you take a road trip, it is certain that you will need rest stops to fill up the gas tank, to eat, and, well, to rest. We love to experience different rest stops. I'm the NYC Traveler, and we are on the road. If you're on I-95 traveling south in Maryland, you have a choice of rest stops and welcome centers before making your way past DC and into Virginia. This is the Chesapeake House, which is about 18 miles after you pass the Delaware Welcome Center on I-95. The Chesapeake House is near mile marker 96. The original opened in 1975. It was demolished in 2013 and rebuilt, opening again in 2014. The Chesapeake House is about 20 miles south from the Delaware Welcome Center, and then another 20 miles away will be the Maryland House. It seems that it might be useless to have these rest stops so close to each other, but if you've ever been on I-95 between Delaware and DC at peak travel times, you get it. I'm the NYC Traveler, and we've been on a road trip.